If you want to get started with the STM32 Black Pill and blink the onboard LED, this step-by-step guide will get you up and running quickly. First, open STM32 CubeMX. Click on Start My Project from MCU. Now, in the commercial part number field, search for STM32F411CEU6. Since this is the microcontroller used on the Black Pill board, select the exact part number and click on Start Project. Now the Pinout view will open. Here we will configure the onboard LED. Locate PC13. This pin is connected to the onboard LED. Click on PC13 and set it as GPIO output because we want to control the LED. Now move to the project settings. Enter your project name and choose your project location. Next, select the toolchain or IDE as STM32Cube IDE. Now click on Generate Code. If you see a warning about project under root, you can safely ignore it and continue if there are no other projects. Since I didn't have the project, so I had ignored that. Once the code is generated, click on Open Project. This will open the project in STM32Cube IDE. Now click on Build to compile the generated code. Make sure the project builds successfully without errors. Next, in Project Explorer, go to Core, Source and open main.c. Inside the main function, locate the while loop. This is where we will add our LED blinking logic. Now navigate to the HAL GPIO functions using Ctrl plus click and locate the function used to toggle a GPIO pin. Copy that function and paste it inside the while loop. Set the port as GPIO-C and the pin as GPIO_pin_13 since that is connected to the onboard LED. Do that, add a delay of 500 milliseconds to create a blinking effect. Save the file. Now connect the ST-Link V2 to the Black Pill board as shown. Make sure the board is powered properly. It's better to use separate power if detection fails. Now go back to STM32Cube IDE and click on Run. You should now see ST-Link connecting and flashing logs in the console. After flashing completes, the onboard LED will start blinking. This confirms that everything is working correctly. And that's it. You have successfully configured, built, and flashed your first STM32 project.